No one ever made a plan for being fat, broke, lazy. That's what happens to people without a plan.
Yeah. And what type of hypocrite would I be if my team was a bunch of fat, gelatinous, just lazy, normal motherfuckers? I want my team to be optimized. I want my team to go into everyday fucking supercharged.
What makes you the best? Because I know what I think makes you the best, but in your own words, what do you think gives you that edge over those other guys?
I really think it just comes down to the company culture. We have a culture of people who are eating right, who are working out. Some people are in amazing shape. Some people are just getting started. But, either way, we live the lifestyle and we genuinely care about our clients. And when people come to our company and they start, obviously, they're new to the culture, they're new to the operation, and we basically help them understand the impact that they're having on the clients that we have the opportunity to serve, the lives that we're changing and in some cases saving. That's real. And every day we start the morning meeting off with a win where we're sharing client success story, a client transformation, just something that helps the team understand the impact that they're having and the manifestation of their efforts outside of what is in front of them every day. And again, I think if there was a short answer to that, I would just say our culture and the mentality that we want to get our clients the best results. We want to get our clients the best results in the shortest amount of time with absolutely no stress. And the way we're going to do that is by providing a premium product, by providing a world-class customer experience, by putting out great content, by just making our clients engaged in the process, educating them along the way, motivating them along the way.
What do you say to someone who looks at you and says, Chris, you're pretty intense? I mean, this mentality, this extreme ownership, what you expect and demand of your staff, that I don't think that's necessary for success. What do you say to somebody like that?
I don't demand anything from my staff that I don't demand from myself on a higher level. We are in the business of changing lives. We are in fact in the lifestyle transformation business, and I take our mission very seriously. We're getting after it. This is supposed to be hard. It's going to be fucking hard. I'm going to push you. I'm going to push you further than you've ever been pushed before, and then I'm going to push you a little further than that just to see what you do, because I want to see how you operate under stress. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing to the team. Obviously, I want them to get out of their comfort zone. I want to help them improve the stress tolerance, but I also want to assess how they act under stress, because when we're out there crushing those workouts in the 95-degree heat with the Florida humidity, that will tell you a lot about somebody. And I want to make sure the people that we have on our team are able to operate and perform under stressful conditions, because we're growing very fast. We had our best year in 2023, and we're on pace to exceed that by 50% in 2024. The next chapter, there's going to be stress. We're going to war. We're in the process of transitioning to a new facility. It's about 5 times the size of the one that we're currently operating out of. And, in order to really maximize that, and we're investing a lot into this project and initiative, and we're going to have to invest a lot of passion. And I want to know that if something's going to go wrong, if we're going to have some problem going on, I want to have a team of capable people who can respond and act and fix and solve problems, whatever, as opposed to, breaking down and fucking crumbling because they just refuse to step out of their comfort zone. The greatest probability I have of impacting the most amount of people and changing the most amount of lives is by basically impacting and changing the lives of my team, which is why we have the systems built in that we do. Our team, they get free meals when they're on shift, so they're eating clean. They have access to top shelf supplements for free all day, every day. We do the 2 workouts a week, which are really intense. They're paid to do that. Again, what type of hypocrite would I be if my team was a bunch of fat, gelatinous, just lazy, normal motherfuckers? Like, I want our clients to have the confidence of knowing that the people that are behind the product and the people that are behind the brand are actually on the same path as them. I mean, it wouldn't be a very inspiring sight to our clients if, we had a bunch of just overweight, just normal Americans working for us.
Yeah. One of the things I didn't notice until I got there this morning, you have a big painting on the wall outside the entry door that says, no one ever made a plan for being fat, broke, lazy. That's what happens to people without a plan.
Yeah.
You glossed over something quickly there that I think is super unique. You said, I pay them to work out. And we were in that workout this morning multiple times. So you guys are getting paid to do this. You don't have to, you get to. Why do you pay your employees to train?
When I was in the military, I was very fortunate to be in a community that prioritized physical fitness. The physical fitness standards of the community that I was in was higher than the normal military, as it were. And just from a young age, I just developed a positive association with morning workouts and how much better I felt throughout the rest of the day. And obviously the military figured that out.
Sure.
Right? The reason that they do that, the reason that they're investing in their service members to train before they, attack the day is because they recognize it puts them at a higher frequency. It's not just about the physical, right? Like that's why I do it, because I want my team to be optimized. I want my team to go into every day fucking supercharged. To say we kill the workout, then we kill the day. Today we obviously went hard, earned our weekend, did the ice baths, did the training. And I want to do everything I can to build my team and develop my team. And I'm not always gentle about that. I'm a firm proponent of tough love. I would like to think that my team and my peer group are the way they are and are on the path that they're on in some way, shape, or form because of an example that I have set for them. I think leading by example is an absolutely fantastic way to basically elevate people's standards, sometimes without them even knowing. Because the thing about our company culture, and you had mentioned a lot of our team who've had transformations, it's almost like a guarantee. I was asked a question recently in an interview, would I ever hire a fat person? So we hire people who are overweight all the time. All the fucking time. That's a fucking opportunity when we change that person's life and we help them reclaim not just their health, but their confidence. Then they're not only an ambassador for our company, but they're in a phenomenal position to really understand what our clients are going through to where they can actually help them and support them on their journey.